Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. And again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. And in our last topic, I have explained you what I have explained you, ascending and descending order. And I have told you that today I am going to take your test. है ना? I told you that today I am going to take your test of ascending and descending order. I hope you all have prepared. Okay. So once again I will explain you the concept of ascending and descending order. So I will explain you one question. Okay. Today also I will explain one question and how to arrange the number in ascending and descending order, and then I will give you some question to solve and you solve those questions yourself. Okay. So just now no need to write anything, just again I am explaining the concept of ascending and descending order. So what you have to do, just you have to sit and listen what I am explaining. Okay. And then I will give you some questions to solve. Okay. So let's start ascending and descending orders. Okay. Ascending and descending. No need to write. This is only for explanation. Okay. So ascending and descending. So first of all, ascending means arranging number from smallest to largest. Okay. Ascending means arranging numbers from smallest to largest. Okay. And descending means arranging number from largest to smallest. Okay. Descending means arranging numbers from largest to smallest. And what is the another name of ascending? Increasing. And the another name for descending is decreasing. Okay. So ascending means arranging numbers from smallest to largest, and descending means arranging numbers from largest to smallest. Okay. So let's solve one question. Okay. Let us solve one question. So don't write, I told you before also, no need to write. Today just I am explaining it once again, then I will give you some questions as a test to solve, and don't take the help of your parents, you solve those questions yourself. Okay. Suppose I am writing here one question, some numbers I am writing here, 22, 12, 35 and 40. These are the four numbers that I have written. So what are these numbers? 22, 12, 35 and 40. So we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order also, and in descending order also, Okay. So same question, this question that I have written here, we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order also, and we have to arrange these numbers in descending order also. एक ही क्वेश्चन को ascending में भी करना है, descending में भी करना है. Okay. This is for only explanation, the concept of ascending and descending. Okay. So first find out ascending. In ascending we arrange from smallest to largest. So first find out the smallest number among these four numbers. Which is the smallest number? So first we read the number. So what are the numbers given here? 22, 12, 35 and 40. So which is the smallest number? Identify the smallest number. The number 12 is the smallest. So first write 12 here. Put small cross over it. Okay. Now identify the next smaller number from the remaining number. So first check how many numbers are remain. So which number are remain? 22, 35 and 40. So which is the smallest number? 22 is the smallest. So next comes 22. Now this is over and this is also over. Now let's find the another smaller number by remains? 3, 5, 35 and 4, 0, 40. So which is the smallest number? 35. Very good. 35 is smallest. And the last number that remains is the largest number. 4, 0, 40. 4, 0, 40. Okay. Now the same question we have to arrange them in descending order also. Okay. The same question we have to arrange these numbers in descending order also. So identify the largest number. In descending order, we arrange the number from largest to smallest. So identify the largest number. So which is the largest number among these numbers? So 4, 0, 40 is the largest. Which is the largest number? The biggest number is 4, 0, 40. So write here 4, 0, 40. Now the next number will be, the next larger number will be 22, 12 and 35. So the next larger number will be 35. Very good. Now identify the next larger number. How many numbers remains? Only 2, 22 and 12. So which is the largest number? 22, and the last number is smallest is 12. So let's see. Let's check the two numbers. Okay. Let's check this ascending and descending order. 12, 22, 35, 40. 40, 35, 22, 12. उल्टा आ रहा है, जस्ट अपोजिट आ रहे हैं दोनों एक दूसरे के. 12 at the first, here 12 at the last, then 22, then 22, then 35, then 35, here 40 at the first, here 40 at the last. That means ascending and descending numbers are opposite of each other. Ascending number and descending number are opposite to each other. Okay, now I hope all of you have more clearly understood. Okay, now I hope all of you have more clearly understood the concept of ascending and descending. So are you ready for test? Are you ready for test? Say yes. Yes. Now open your notebook, all of you. Take new page. Take new page and first write today's date. First write today's date. Okay. First write today's date, and on the top of your notebook write test of ascending, A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending, test of ascending and descending, D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending and descending order. This is your heading. Okay, this is your heading. Test of ascending and descending order. Okay, test of ascending and descending order. This is your heading. Write on the top of your notebook. Have you all written? And don't take the help of your parents. Don't take the help of your mama if she is sitting next to you. Don't take the help of your father if he is sitting next to you. Don't take the help of your elder brother or sister. You do yourself. Okay? आपको अपने आप टेस्ट करना है. आप देखें आपको कितना आता है. Okay? So all of you have written. Okay. Now write the first question. Don't draw this line. Okay, you don't draw this line. So write question. Arrange in A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Arrange in ascending, A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending order. This is the question. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. This is the question. Okay, so the numbers I am writing here. observe it. So the first question is, right here question 1. So the first question is arrange in ascending order. You have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order, and I have given you 3 questions, A, B and C. The numbers at question A is 20, 49 and 31. You have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. B is 11, 9 and 25. And C is 44, 29 and 35. Okay. So this is question number 1. And you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay. So first you solve the arranging in ascending order. And here I am writing question 2. Here I am writing question 2. Okay. Arrange in descending order. This is the second question, and you have to arrange the given numbers in descending order. Okay. So you do the first question first and then you do the second question. Okay. One by one you solve both the questions. yourself, अपने आप करना है, आपको अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प नहीं लेनी है. ओके, आई होप आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया है. यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी नाइसली, वेरी क्लियरली एंड यू डू द क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ. आप खुद कर सकते हैं. ओके. Okay, now here in a second question, arrange in descending order also. 3 questions I am giving you. Okay, I will give you 3 questions. One 6, 16, then 2, 9, 29, and last 1, 0, 10. Now next question, B, 50, 50, 22, 22, and last is 47, 47. Now the last question, 38, 38, 19, 19, and at last 9. Okay. So in question number 2, you have to arrange the number in descending order. In second question, what you have to do? You have to arrange the given numbers in descending order. And the questions are again reading the question given here. So the question, the numbers at A is 16, 29 and 10, B 50, 22 and 47, and C 38, 19 and 9. Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes is more. So I will give you 4 minutes to solve both the questions. So what is your work? You write fast and solve the question fast, and then I will write the answer here. Okay, and you check your answers. So first you solve this question fast. I will give you time. Okay, do it fast. Do it fast and do yourself. Don't take the help of your parents. Don't take your parents' help. Do yourself. I hope all of you have done question 1. All of you have done question 1. Now do the question number 2 fast. Write fast. Now you are in class 1. Your writing speed must be increased. Okay, don't write slowly. Write fast. And while writing fast, write in good handwriting. Write correctly. Copy correct from the board. Okay. Because now you are in class 1. Okay, promotion हो गया है. पहले आप प्री प्राइमरी में थे. Now you are in primary classes. Okay, so you should adopt yourself according to class. Okay, so write fast, write in good handwriting, and copy correct from the board. Okay, so do it fast. Completed question number 1. Have you completed this question 1? Very good. Now write fast question number 2. Question number 2 is decreasing order. Okay, you have to arrange the number in descending order. You have to arrange the given number in descending order, and you should know in descending order how do you arrange number, which number will come first and which number we call at last. Okay, you should know it. I have explained you already before writing the test on the board. I have explained you the ascending and descending order once again. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying the test at home. Are you enjoying? Okay, very good. So answer on the board. All of you have completed question 2 also? Have you completed? Okay, now check. All of you check your answers, and if your answer is right, okay, put a small right. So first let's check Question number 1, ascending order, arranging in ascending order. And ascending order means smaller to largest. So which is the smallest number among these three numbers? The smallest number is 20. The next smaller number is 31. And the last number is 4949. If you have written the right answer, you put here right. Okay. If your answer is right, you put here right. Okay. Now let's check the second question. Smallest number is 9. Then which number will come? 1, 1, 11. And at the last 2, 5, 25. If your answer is correct, put small right here. Now let us check the last question. So the smallest number is 2, 9, 29. The another number will be 3, 5, 35. And the last will be 4, 4, 44. If your answer is right, place a small right just after the question. Okay, now I hope all of you have finished the question number 2 also. Have you all finished the second question? सभी ने finish कर लिया है? May I write the answers now? Okay, so I am writing the answers of second question also. So you check your answers. So in descending order, how do we arrange the number? In descending order, we arrange number from largest to smallest. So first we will write the largest number. So largest number will be 2, 9, 29. The next number 16 and the smallest number at the last 10. If your answer is correct, put right. Okay, now let us check the next question. The largest number is 50, 50. Another largest number, the next number will be 4747. And the last number will be, smallest number will be 22. If your answer is right, then again put a right. Now the last. Greatest number is 38. The next number will be 19. And the last number will be 9. So this is same as question. The question itself is arranged in descending order. If your answer is right, put a small right. Okay. So many students, I think so many students have done all the question correct. Correct or not? बहुत सारे बच्चों ने किया होगा. So clap yourself. Very good. Now if all your answer is right, you have done all the question correct. So write good for yourself and make a small smiley. Okay? क्या करेंगे? Good लिखेंगे. May write good for yourself. Good लिखेंगे अपने लिए and make a small smiley. Okay? Very good. Now I hope all of you have enjoyed your test. Have you all enjoyed? You have enjoyed your test? Okay, so we will continue in our next lecture with our next topic. Next topic is same, ascending and descending order, but in this topic, the topic that we have done is from number 1 to 50, and our next topic that we will do in our next lecture is ascending and descending order from number 1 to 100. That in that question number will be from 1 to 100. Okay, so I hope all of you have enjoyed the test. Okay, so goodbye and have a nice day. We will meet again in our next lecture. Bye students.